What's up, Scarlet Squad? Thanks for watching this video. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. And this is a tutorial on how to draw the 3 new Pokemons that will be coming up, the 3 new starter Pokemons. We're really excited for the game because we love Pokemon. So first up, I'm drawing a Sprigatito. And it's just a little rough sketch. I'm going to be doing that. And then when I'm happy with this sketch, I'll speed it up because the shading and darkening the details, that takes a little time, and the initial sketch is actually a little bit faster, and I didn't want the video to be so long and to be too boring. So thanks a lot for watching, everybody, and if anything goes too fast, just press pause to catch up. So right now it's a basic outline of Sprigatito's body. There's not much details happening yet. It's just to get the basic form and proportion. Now we're going in and working on that little collar area around the neck. It's pretty fluffy. And you have to fan out the second one more than the first one. Now I'm going to start on the details of the face, and for the eyes I'm going to start off with 2 big ovals, and then I'm going to draw the pupils on the inside and all the other little facial details. The most important part is to try to keep everything even. Now it's time to work on the little mouth, and then the little detail on the face, which looks kind of like 2 points, and then the big ears will be next. Now we need to erase the sides of the face so we can work on the fur that puffs out at the sides of the cheeks. Now we're going to finish this drawing by completing the tail. I like the tail because it's extra fluffy. So for this part, I'm going to speed up the video and just darken everything and shade some areas. I didn't have any color pencils, but if you do have color pencils, it's a good idea to go ahead and darken everything with maybe a little Sharpie, or darken it with pencil and then color it in. So, Sprigatito is all done. I hope you like how it came out. Time to work on Quaxly. So for Quaxly, I'm just starting off with a squarish head. And now we're working on the wing that pops out on the side of his hip there. And he has a bit of a round belly. And you make a soft letter W for the bottom part where his leg is going to connect to. Now it's time for the little legs on Quaxly, and then we'll work on his other wing. The feet are kind of a weird shape, but it's okay, it'll come out better later on. And his little belly, and time to go work on the face. Quaxly has some really big hair slash feathers, and it goes all the way around the top part of his head and it swings around towards the back part. And you want to draw a line that goes right through the top part of the eyes and just erase away some of the eyes because it covers them a little bit. Then I'm fixing up the shape of Quaxly's face from before. It's a little bit angled, not such a soft square corner like I had it before. Now I'm going to speed up this drawing and work on all the details and darken everything and shade the drawing. So Quaxly is all done and it's time to work on the hardest drawing out of the 3 of these starter Pokemon, and it's Fuecoco. I'm starting off with a little teardrop shape and I'm putting 2 legs. This might not be too proportional right now. I'm just trying to get all the features and then we'll fix it up as we go along. And now I think I'll work on the mouth area. It's looking a little weird right now, but just trust the process. time to work on the hands and the feet. And now I need to shorten the legs because I made them too long and make his body look a little bit more rounder. Bring up the tail. Now it's time to darken all the features on Fuecoco and to shade this drawing. I hope you like how all of this is coming out, and remember to subscribe. We also have other Pokemon drawings on our drawing playlist. Fuecoco is all finished, and I hope you like how I drew these 3 starter Pokemons, and I hope yours came out really great too. Thanks again for watching.